Hello and welcome to our next video on the modify commands in AutoCAD. This will be a series of 3 videos focusing on move command, copy command, and rotate command. All 3 of these modify tools work in a very similar way in terms of the command structure. There are some steps in the process that we need to follow. And we're going to go through those in detail here and then repeat them in the subsequent videos. We're going to be focusing on, again, move command for this video. First thing I want to do is draw a rectangle. I just need an object to work with. So I'm going to choose that command. I'm going to just draw a rectangle. And if you recall, for drawing a rectangle, once we placed our starting point, we can define its size. We're going to say 20 feet and then comma to move on to the next portion by 30 feet, enter. There's our object that we're going to move. And in our video on rectangles, we learned that a rectangle is a joined object. So we have multiple pieces that are joined together as one. So that'll make our moving things around a little bit easier. So I choose move. When I choose move command, and you can see in this image how move works, where we're going to take the red stuff and we're going to move it down to where the black stuff is. In order to do a move command or a rotate or a copy command, the mouse button sequence is left, left, right, left, left. I'll say it again, left, left, right, left, left. Your first left is on the command you're choosing, in this case, move. Left. Then it says select objects, left pick. Then when you're done selecting objects, it is a right click. A right click on the mouse is the same as a hard enter. So I'm done selecting objects. I'm going to just right click. And then it says specify base point. This is going to come up in almost all these modify commands. The base point is the first place the computer wants to grip the object. So for instance, if I were to have a cup on the table in front of me, I need to move it. I need to decide how I'm going to grab it. Am I going to grab it by the rim, by the handle? Am I going to reach underneath it? How am I going to grip it? The computer needs the same information. Does it want to grip this rectangle by the corner? I'm going to grip it in the middle here, at a midpoint, down here at this bottom corner. What's it going to be? And so I need to tell the computer I want to grab it here. My first base point is here. That was a left click. Now it's moving around. And the final left click that will complete the command is where do you want to put it? It says specify the second point. And so there we go. I'm going to click on a spot there and I've moved the object. And do that once again. Left, left, right, left, left. Left, choose command. Left, select object. Right, move through the command. Left, select base point. Left, select second base point. Complete the command. Left, left, right, left, left. There's something else I want to show you in this. When we move these things around or execute these commands, you're going to notice that there's a bunch of little green highlight things that pop up. Those are called object snaps. They give you a precise grip on or location of any part of an object. So if I go move, left, pick my object, right to move on into the move command, base point. Now watch when I come to this corner. You see the little corner light up green. If I choose that and move the rectangle off, you can see the ghost image of the rectangle still on the screen. Now that ghost image still has the properties of an object, and I can still object snap to it. So I can take what was the top corner of this on the left and move it to the bottom corner here on the right. So please remember, on all these modify commands, it is left, left, right, left, And that wraps up the move command. I'll see you in the next video when we're going to be doing copy command, which is very similar. Thank you very much.